say an end can be a start. Feels like a barbarian still alive. It's like a bad day that never ends. I feel the chaos around me, a thing I don't try to deny. I better learn to accept that there are things in my life I can't control. They say love is nothing but a sore. I don't even know what love is. Too many tears I've had to fold. Don't you know I'm so tired of it all? I have no terror, these are spells. Finding out the secrets words won't tell. Whatever it is, it can be named. There's a part of my world that's fading away. You know I don't want to be clever, to be being or superior. True like ice, true like fire. Now I know that a breeze coming me away. Now I know there's much more dignity in defeat than a brother's victory. I'm losing my balance on the tightrope. Tell me please, tell me please, tell me please, tell me please. If I ever feel better, remind me to spend some good on you. You can give me your number. When it's all over, I'll let you know. Hang on to the good days. I can lean on my friends. They help me going through hard times. But I'm feeling enemy. I'm in league with a foe. Blame me for what's happening. I can try, I can try, I can try, I can try. No one knows the hard times I went through. If I'm in this game, I missed the goal. Stormy days and over. Dreading out that thing that I paid a cost. I watched all my castles fall. They were made of dust. After all, someday all this mess will make me love. I can wait, I can wait, I can wait, I can wait. If I ever feel better, remind me to spend some good on you. You can give me your number. When it's all over, I'll let you know. If I ever feel better, remind me to spend some good on you. Baby, when I saw you turning at the end of the street, I knew what time was gone, and it took me like ages. Just understand I was afraid to be a simple guy. I tried my best to smile, but deep inside my heart I felt it was shot like a crowd dancing. I guess I couldn't live without things that made my life